Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home organization with a must-have product, the Con-Tact brand Creative Clear Covering. If you're looking for the best clear adhesive contact paper on the market, then stick around, because this product promises to revolutionize how you protect and beautify your spaces. This versatile and self-adhesive shelf liner measures 18 inches by 50 feet, making it an ideal choice for a variety of projects. Whether you're shielding your kitchen cabinets, protecting furniture, or simply looking to add a touch of elegance to your decor, this product has got you covered. The clear matte finish not only offers a sleek look but also ensures that it blends seamlessly with any surface. One of the standout features of this contact paper is its high-quality vinyl material. This premium vinyl is designed to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use while still being incredibly easy to clean. It's waterproof and stain-resistant, which means that spills and marks are no match for its durable surface. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all you need to keep it looking fresh and new. Application is a breeze thanks to its peel and stick design. All you have to do is peel off the backing, align it to your surface, and smooth it out. The adhesive is strong yet non-damaging, so when you decide to remove or reposition it, it won't leave any sticky residue behind. This feature is particularly useful for renters or anyone who loves to change their decor frequently. This contact paper is perfect for so many uses. You can cover shelves in your kitchen to keep them clean and protected from scratches, or use it to line drawers and cabinets to give them a fresh look. It can also serve as a protective layer on your bathroom cabinets or even as a privacy film on windows and glass doors, allowing natural light to filter in while keeping prying eyes out. But that's not all. If you're into DIY projects or crafts, this clear contact paper can be a game changer. You can easily create custom stickers or labels, add a glossy finish to your artwork, or even use it to cover books and protect them from wear. The possibilities are truly endless. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 14,000 ratings, it's clear that people are loving this product. And with over 600 units sold in the past month alone, it's evident that the Con-Tact brand Creative Clear Covering is a favorite among home organization enthusiasts. If you're ready to elevate your home organization game, I highly recommend giving this contact paper a try. It's not just a liner, it's a way to protect your investments and enhance your home's aesthetic. So, if you want to bring a little order and style to your life, check out the Con-Tact brand Creative Clear Covering. You won't regret it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell for more amazing product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.